Okay. Let's see what we got here. So, a few weeks ago, I was on the internet searching around and I was looking at football shirts, I was looking at football flags, I was looking at everything. And I came across a deal, design your own flag for 9,001, which is about $9 give or take, which is about what, like £6, £6. And I designed the flag thinking it's probably going to be poor quality, not going to be great quality. I've got it here, I've not seen it. This is the first time I'm unwrapping it now as we speak. Let's give it a little look. It's alright, you know, you can tell straight away that there's some like spludges and it looks a bit blurry. Let's give it a look though. It's got the, what they call gormans? They've got them there. There you go. That doesn't look too bad at all, to be fair. See if I spelt it correctly. Let's look the right way. SCSC4U4. That looks fine. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. Look at that. Good job, that. I think that the flag, the two badges are not 100% lined up well, but 9,001, what are you going to do? There you go, boys. So yeah, coming to a stadium near you.